much? Wait, tell him so we can get a discount. Ah! Still alive. No, what you do to me, between me and you, I feel like chemistry. What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be grocery shopping. So my sister, she's actually driving, scary, and then my mom's sitting in the back. So yeah, we're gonna be grocery shopping for our family. So
hold on there, it's weed.
I have one time to get on video. You know the pumpkins are already.
I should throw one of those at Katie.
To make this easier, we're gonna go on every single aisle. You know, some people don't know what Food Lion is.
Dude, this is the logo.
Oh my gosh, guys, I love these cookies. We're gonna get the pink ones. Only get the stuff you're gonna eat so it doesn't go bad and stuff. Say that again? Still fire yet? Okay, so what do you buy these for? Tell the people, what are you doing with these?
You need to make the sandwiches with these, Mom.
I like to make ham and cheese. You know what, I'm gonna get this.
That's not the right one.
What do you mean?
To make the ham and cheese.
What's the right one? The blue pack?
It's the buns, yeah. It's the buns.
Mama, baby, it's all the same.
Okay, but you gotta cut those. The other ones are already cut.
What?
Those are rolls. It's Hawaiian sweet bun.
I didn't think it was a difference. I think you know, just cut it open.
Oh, look.
Mom, stop doing that.
Pretzel buns, Mom. That's Do you work here?
No, I'm telling you.
You work here?
She did this last time.
I'm telling you, they're not here.
We're gonna ignore these because we're going to Publix for that. See, she comes to the store with an attitude. I don't understand why.
It tastes like it tastes one.
Go ahead and eat one. Give a review. I am.
Like that. So it's recording me?
Yeah, unless you flip it around.
Oh my god.
You thought I was feeling you?
Thought I was feeling you?
Yeah, you want to give me some? It's good
For your
for the
hair?
hair.
Okay, let me go ahead and get a bottle of wine.
Do you want to share?
Where's the one that says cupcake on it? You need to go back to your roots.
I mean, those are good.
Oyster? I eat the oyster.
Tell them why you don't like it.
They taste weird.
Tuna. I actually like tuna and it's actually very healthy. I'm trying to lose like 20 pounds. But I keep going out to eat, so. I'm buying, so I'm absolutely not putting anything up. My mom and Katie will be putting things in. Mason will put things up.
Well, it's because you live rent free.
Okay, I pay rent for my mom. My mom doesn't have to worry about anything.
Girl, bye.
I pay rent, lights,
Y'all know
water.
this is lies, all lies.
It's for our quesadillas.
Wait, did we set the machine?
We literally make quesadillas now. We have the cheese and stuff.
Oh, are we gonna have taco night?
We need to get this. Avocado and hot sauce, bro. Can we get this? I need it for my quesadilla.
I like both. Where's the one with the Doritos? Y'all, she sees her friend over there. She's looking, and she won't even say hey. Why isn't that messed up? Oh. Wow.
That's crazy.
Wow. I thought they were actually cool.
That's crazy.
Oh, y'all, I haven't had this in like a long time. I have a freaking mess on this super cute one. I like the one that you can put in the microwave. SpaghettiOs. Spaghetti and meatballs. There you go. Not SpaghettiOs. 4 for $5. Bring the cart, please. Let me know if you guys like these because I be getting criticized when I eat this. Criticized. Because do people still eat kangas these days?
No, because it's not a zombie apocalypse anymore.
What's your favorite kanga?
Corn.
You know the corn boy? She doesn't know the corn boy.
You don't know who the corn boy is? My teacher hates the corn boy.
Why? Because he's black?
No, she said she's hated him ever since he came out.
How do you hate a child?
She said she hates kids.
Oh, well, does she have kids?
No.
But she works with kids.
Yes. Did we get the which one's better? Which brand, guys?
Same brand.
No,
oh wait, no.
They said what the whole shelf just
Probably make macaroni these days. Y'all, our oven was broken for the longest time. Did we ever announce that? My mom probably doesn't want me to say it on here, but whatever. Our oven was broken. Y'all, I don't know if you guys knew I had glasses, but I actually threw them away, so.
Oh my God. Let's tell people that we're that rich.
That what?
You can't see and we're just wasting money.
The glasses were like $10.
Stop saying. Oh, I put fan.
This is the boring part, guys. The meats. What did you say?
Make sure they scan
She said
that
maybe we can seal this. Oh, I went out to eat today, y'all, and the total was less than we guessed. You know why? Because the girl didn't even add the drinks on there. So we hurried up and paid and got out. WME.
Did you know
Look how skinny these are.
They changed it to lemon lime.
All of them are, though.
Yeah, they changed.
But you can't taste lemon, though.
No, but Jasmine said it's because something about the field and you can see it. But Mom, do you know why I changed to lemon lime?
Y'all, it's 5 of us, and she's only trying to get one little pack. So how is 5 people gonna eat 4 patties? What? Wait, tell them so we can get a discount.
I'm not. That's what this is.
Inside? Go back! Wait, it's still alive. Okay, guys, I'm looking for mandarin orange juice in a container. How many? How many for you? I have 1 slot. Katie got 1 slot. Mason probably doesn't have a slot. Well, no sugar added. I need sugar. Wait, no, this has no sugar too. Do you remember Chia Pet? Chia. You remember them? You remember them?
I do.
Oh my goodness.
I just can't. I don't like the nut and the macadamia. But
Sometimes I can't tell which one's the nut and which one's the
But I like the
chip.
macadamia. The nothing.
So I want to get a Jello. Strawberry. Why? What do you need?
Seasoning.
Why?
So when we cook the meat and stuff.
Don't we already have seasoning?
No.
Is this someone high or is it like an alien?
We should get this. We should make this.
It's not gonna come out like that, I guarantee you.
We don't think we can't get it close. We have a new oven and everything now.
You know Dolly Parton?
Yeah.
What is this?
Perfectly moist and super moist. Mom, why is she recording me?
I'm not. Let's get super moist like me.
Mom, did you hear what she said?
I don't got time for that. I heard it. Oh, this 3. Okay.
Why?
Get 1 brownie though, fudge.
This other one's over here. That's 3 for 5.
What you got? Red velvet, and then 1 fudge, and 1 cookie, right?
If it's on the thing.
Oh wait, they're not.
It's not. We have to get another cake. I guess.
This.
Nobody.
Okay. I wonder, should we get muffin? Okay. This is only $109. So I'm thinking. Okay, I want some crackers. I'm not sure which kind to get. Okay, do I have Riz? You don't think I have Riz?
Oh, I thought you were talking about the cracker.
Do you have Riz?
Any other questions?
Oh, you don't? Oh, did I tell you guys my sister has a boyfriend now? She has her first boyfriend.
That you know, sure.
Okay, first boyfriend that she actually hangs out with. You should tell a story time about what happened to me.
About what happened with what? That's not an interesting story time.
If it is.
No, it's not.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and probably grab these Riz.
Do you like the cheese and crackers?
Oh wait, or should I get Club? You know, I think I'm gonna get Club. If I bring them a box that's open, do I get a discount? I wonder. Can I get a discount on this? Why are they all open? Come on now.
Maybe people got a truck nearby. Oh, have you tried them? These are so good, y'all.
I'll lift you up. Will you be able to get up there and get that pack back there?
No. Because you can't lift me up. So that's
I can though.
the first mistake. Or should we get the s'mores?
I want to get the one that's $139. That looks kind of crazy. Get that out my face. Ugh.
Tentacles and tubes.
Oh, I bet it's another thing.
Testicles?
Kitty, grab the card.
Is these, they have different flavors or not? No,
What's the difference? It's a body part.
I'm getting mozzarella sticks. I need to get the sauce with it too, but
I don't know what sauce is supposed to go with.
mozzarella sticks?
Yeah. What is it called?
Marinara? Okay, my only Hot Pocket that I like is the ham and cheddar. Y'all not finna be eating my
I don't like Hot Pockets, so don't even.
You are a Hot Pocket.
I still don't like them.
My sister has phases. Like, she'll go through a phase of all Monster. Then she'll go through a phase of all Red Bulls. Then she go through.
I don't like
She had a
Red
phase
Bulls.
with these and stuff.
But I never had
What's
a
another phase you had?
Not with Red Bulls.
Yes, you did. You had the
That's
yellow
Mason,
one.
That's Mason.
Okay, what other phase you had?
I still drink the Monsters and I still drink those. So what phase? This is most recommended. It's like just carbonation and fruit punch.
Let's pick a pizza. Okay, get one. You can get one cheese. This person keeps calling and interrupting my video. Answer my FaceTime.
Bro, tell you. What's up, YouTube?
Just gonna get fruit roll-ups. Yeah. Why is my camera so zoomed in? What's your question?
It's neat, right?
You're neat.
Yeah, I like steak.
Should we get the Arby's curly fries or should we get steak fries? Okay, just get whatever we usually get.
It's famous.
Do we have like a full set of meals? So we got taco night, burger night, pizza night. Do people still eat toasted strudel these days?
I'm not. Never had
I'm gonna get these so I don't have to keep stopping at McDonald's for breakfast and stuff. Whoever checks our card out is gonna be a little upset. I think we're going a little bit overboard here. Kitty, where's the French toast? It does look kind of old though.
Oh, that's what I was.
It's not even red.
That's what I thought I was saying.
So you see one video and you all of a sudden think you know about meat.
You know that meat
repackaging. Meat repackaging. Cinnamon rolls. Shall we try them?
Yo.
Say it.
Mason.
Say it.
Yeah?
That I was feeling
Thought I was feeling you? Maybe.
Oh! These kids getting too grown these days.
I would never put my mom.
Just put mom on camera. Put mom on there.
She's not gonna answer.
Quality. No, I haven't seen this in so. We need sour cream.
We need sour.
Okay, I'm gonna get one healthy snack. Strawberry. You can't be looked at.
We've been in the store all day. Nobody can look at you.
You were just. Did you see what she did?
No. Seriously, why are you making those ugly faces and everything?
So what do you think your face looks like? Never ugly.
Oh, that's
Was I even freaking filming? Okay, we're on phone cam right now. Okay, but if the person pays for the groceries, should they have to like put it in the car, take it inside, and put it up? No, they've done their due diligence for the day, you know. And my camera's like dead, so we're on phone cam right now.
Wow. Where's he at? And we're already halfway down. Did you tell him?
see it. Come on, put the freezer stuff up. Okay, guys, so I got these toaster strudels. Do people still eat these? I know it's giving 2000. Ham and cheese, mozzarella. How far? Wait, mozzarella stick, bacon cheese, croissant, meat.
This is how you be like in the room.
Yeah. No, I don't.
Mom, doesn't she be like
In
this?
where? In where? He's already grown. What you gonna do? Okay, let me see if you know these songs. Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone.
Yeah.
Go finish the lyric.
Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later on.
Okay. Baby, are you down, 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 down? Down, down. Check that laffy taffy.
They know you can't get up without holding on. What if you hold on and the whole fridge comes down?
I probably have to do like this, right?
I don't know.
Right, Mom?
You're getting crushed. Just
No, because I
Don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry.